Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
People think I'm happy. I'm not happy with Malema going to jail. I'm being honest with you. I don't want people to go to jail because I know that place. I want people to change their ways, so I'm going to pray for Malema. Ek het met myself gepraat en sê, Here, laat ek bly raak vir daai money. Ek verheerlik my nie in mense se moeilikheid nie. Now, some of you, if a peer is in trouble or peer has done that, you get happy. What type of person are you? Ek het kinders, man. Ek het children. Tomorrow my children will be in trouble with the same things I laugh at other people about. No, but Malema called me a bandit every day. It's okay. It's on him. But for me, I'm going to pray for him. I'm going to pray for his kids. I'm going to pray for his wife. Because prison is very hard on families, let me tell you. So to all of you tonight, verander bietjie julle harte vir mekaar. Wees net so lief vir die ander patriotte soos julle vir my is. Die Here kyk nie wat het jy nie. Die Here kyk jou hart. Every day Malema would call me in parliament, you bandit. You bandit. I have kids. My kids watch TV. My kids see the hero being called and humiliated there. But I'd never want to be that person. I never want to be the person that rejoices in the pain of others. Because die Here slaap nie, die Here slymer nie. The Lord doesn't look at your cars, your status. The Lord looks at your heart. I know trouble. I know trouble. And I'm going to tell you, when people are in trouble, I never get happy. What he said about me, that's on him. But I don't become the type of person that people are towards me. People lie every day about me. People lie about me. People have stories about me. People forget I have kids. As they have kids. We must learn to love each other, patriots. Even if you see some in the PA, I look at them. But you see, you must understand, we've done many elections and we've learned. And we've become better. The newspapers called me more than anybody today. They thought I'm going to gloat when it comes to Malema. All I said is I'm going to pray for him. I think about his family.
Yeah, I bought molweni betinan. Hawu uyabona uba singaba honest. Hayi uyabona lo July simane nje sikhuza sithi yo. Sonba nje nguyo side salibala noba kukho umuntu omkhulu oswelekile uDidi Mabuza kho kwawusentsha uba nje into yazayenzeka eSouth Africa. But uyabona guys, in i-country confused anizasho mba nifuna ntoni. nithi uJulius Malema uthule kakhulu, his silence is too loud. uJulius owayethe, I think around about 2022, that Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi should be the national commissioner, and you guys said hayi khona nje uJulius no wazi ntoni. It was you who were saying that. And then you later came back when, I think that I was, years again, when it was discovered that uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi wants to arrest uSenzo Mchunu based on these crimes as revealed ngoku, and then Senzo Mchunu, they went to the IPIT to open a counter attack against uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi, and you guys said Julius is mad in conspiracy theories. Later on, Julius leads a march saying hands off Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi when it was discovered that they are planning to remove him from Ubai police commissioner. And you guys just fold your arms and look at him like today, the very same you come back, you are saying Julius is too silent. And Julius because when he speaks, it's a problem. You complain. When he is silent, you complain. Athini sentshuba yintoni lefuneka ayenze yena yedwa engenziwayo ngabanye, sentshuba zeziphi ezi superpowers anazo. Again, Jacob Zuma did not come and say, this is my position as Jacob Zuma. Herman Mashaba did not say, this is my position as Herman Mashaba. Every organization, they release organizational statements or spokesperson bathetile as it should. Why is it that Julius now should come out here again ngoku azothethe you-one? Why? Why? Others, you are busy saying hi because his wife's name is Matlala. Did she choose to become a Matlala? Is this Matlala the very same Matlala? Senchuba ukhethile uba uzalwa kwaMatlala, and how sure are you that the Matlala, they are related? Is the very same Matlala as the one ekuthethwa ngayo. Lastly, uNgizwe ngumchunu isename yakhe. uThobekile Mkhwanazi lo mama uculayo wethu simthandayo, ifani yakhe ngumkhwanazi Thobekile. There's a lot of people, and there's another Mkhwanazi who's implicated in the very same thing. That means, Mosna, you are saying that everyone who's Mchunu must be held accountable. Everyone who is Mkhwanazi must fight these crimes. Senchuba makangene ezihlangwini zika provincial commissioner. Bayokulu senchuba inja itsho kaloku into eniyithethayo nini. If ngoku umuntu uyadecide yena uba isename yakhe mayithini, and people who are having the same surname, how must they behave? And hayi niyamsokolisa nje uJulius, hayi uyabona umuntu lo ulithwele nje imidombono, futhi yabona make kube ngathi kuyadlalwa manje ngathi, because understand mina uba nifunani, kanti ke nithethe guys mhlambi sithi abanga understand yo, kanti nithethe mhlambi naye mhlambi uzoyibukela lento atsho ba hayi okay this is it. Nifuna ntoni? Nifuna thini? Nifuna kwenzeke ntoni? Kanithethe nikuthini?
Gayton Mkhenze has also decided to share his own perspective on Malema's sentencing. Guys, when I say every human being, everyone who have got a heart, who knows God, they will actually feel sad. I don't think any normal human being can be happy that someone is going to jail. I don't think so. And he said when he heard the news, he was very sad to hear that. And he promised that he will also pray for his wife, for his kids, because Julius Malema, he's a family man. And yes, we all know that. When it comes to his family, I shame jealous down. And I love that Gayton Mkhenze is also supportive on Malema's sentencing, on what is happening around him, even though people expected him to be rejoicing, to be happy. And he actually came out to say, nope, I am not happy. I am really not happy. This is not something that I can be happy about. I'm actually praying for him and his family, which shows how what kind of a person he is. It actually shows you don't have to ask, you don't have to do anything. You will actually see what kind of a person someone is through his own work, through the way he thinks, through how he takes things as well.